Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. James here, Sir Hobo. Just giving you an update on the probably the first game I'm going to release. Actually, the one that I'm going to complete first. So, this is going to kind of be like Eve Online hits War Thunder. So, um, I got some music that I made and that's in the game. And there's going to be like an entire found a private military company type of thing. You're going to need to found a private military company to get into the uh, 3D battles, like the War Thunder type of stuff. Um, it's all kind of based, so it's going to have like a tech tree, like a regular tech tree. Um, it's gonna have a market, like a buy and sell market. It's gonna have you're gonna be able to. It's gonna be a player-made economy, so you're gonna be able to speculate and set contracts and buy orders and sell orders and stuff like that. It'll have a research screen for improving your plane designs. And when it comes down to your plane designs, and it's not just your plane designs, it's going to be planes and tanks and ships and like all the entire military industrial complex type of thing. But we're going to be using the world map that I have a lot of writing and stuff for this. So, but there's going to be conflicts that you can join. Because it's a military industrial complex, there's going to be an entire two-dimensional, like NPC part of this. There's going to be stuff happening on the strategic map that is going to be part of the game loop as well too. Like you can choose to fulfill contracts to uh, like the uh, governments of the nations that have I got to sort all this stuff out. But let's say like the as Wani Sultanate has got a conflict popping off. There's an NPC looking for like five planes, a bunch of missiles, and maybe a tank or two. And that contract is going to be worth a few, maybe $15 million or something like that. Just shooting it out there. So you're going to be able to fulfill that contract, and that NPC battle is not going to be able to happen until players fulfill that contract. And if those NPC battles don't happen, then there's going to be tensions between nations and shit like that. So like it's going to be an interlinked type of player top down from it's going to be a geopolitical game as much as it's going to be an Eve Online politics and war.com sort of War Thunder type of hybrid here. So, getting back to that, we're going to take a look. I'll actually just give you actually, no, that's not where I want to be. I want to be in industry. So, I'm just working on, I've got a bunch of stuff. I'm just importing it into this. But we got the 3D models. And the 3D models, I love Simple Planes, the video game. So, like, we're going to have XML support. You're going to be able to import your own planes. Now, for multiplayer purposes, we're only going to be able to use official planes because I don't want people squeezing things out. But we're going to have official servers and private servers. And your private servers, you can upload whatever planes you want that you design on Simple Planes. I'm going to be designing like for because I want to design not just planes, but I want to design infantry fighting vehicles and tanks and a bunch of stuff like that. So uh we're going to be working on our own XML design thing, but at the moment, the game supports simple planes models. Um, so there's going to be mod support for this game for the single player part of this game at least, anyways. So yeah, so that's how far we're getting right now. You're going to see here's the design bureau, the XML interface. You can import simple planes XML data or derive new block variants from validated base models. So we're going to be working on this. I got a lot of stuff to do on that. You can prototype. Prototyping is part of your like you're going to be able to buy airframes, for instance. Like the production line. This will give you a base airframe without any missiles or any like even you can upgrade the engine. It's basically just gonna have like a think of it like the uh Star Trek Online type of upgrade your ship type of thing. So what you're getting here is you're getting just a base airframe. And then let's say you don't want like the regular turbofan, single engine turbofan. Well, then you can go onto the market. Let's close this out. You can go on. You'll be able to go onto the market and buy a better turbofan right off the bat. Like boom, execute buy. There you go. You're going to be able to standard Gen 4. This is a standard Gen 4 turbofan for your airframe. You're gonna want to there's gonna be like a an upgrade to this as well too. So like everything's all planned out. Who's your boy? Sir Hobo checking in here, boys and girls. Yeah. So that's where I'm at right now. We'll get back to doing some medieval stuff. I'm just kind of burned out from doing some medieval stuff right now. Anyways, have a great day, folks. I'm gonna poke away at this for the day and get this project up to date because this project has been updated now that I've learned new things. All right, have a good day.